How's it going, class? Mr. Jaw here. In this lesson, we are going to learn about some division basics. And so our objective is I can divide. Let's look at a few example problems. So we have 10 divided by 5. Number 2, 9 divided by 3. And then we have 5 divided by 10. Go ahead and pause this video and please work out the answer to these three problems. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video. I'll be back. I'll be here when you get back. All right, so you should have finished, and let's go ahead and check your answers. So 10 divided by 5 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 5 divided by 10 is 0.5. If you got these wrong, then you're watching the right video, because we're going to go through these. So let's take a look. So we have 10 divided by 5. Okay, 10 divided by 5, we are going to, the numerator is the number that is the one being divided. Okay, so we have 5 divided by 10 divided by 5. You ask yourself, how many times can 5 go into 10? So we count in 10. How many 5s do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2. So the answer is 2. 2 multiplied by 5. Remember, we multiply these two together. That is going to be 10. And then you subtract. 10 minus 10 is going to be 0. So the answer is 2, right? Simple enough. Let's try problem number 2. That one was 9 divided by 3. So we have 9 divided by 3. Once again, 9 is on the inside. 3 is on the outside. 9. How many times can 3 go into 9? The answer is 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is going to give you 9. And then remember, you subtract. 9 minus 9 is 0. Now, the reason why I want to go over this is because a lot of my students get this problem wrong. This is 5 divided by 10. And a lot of students say 2. Unfortunately, right? If you got 2 here, you really got to work on this. So let's look at it, right? So we have 5, and let me use a different color marker here. Let's use blue. Okay, so we have 5 divided by 10. Right? 5 goes on the inside because 5 is the numerator. 10 is on the outside. How many times can 10 go into 5? The answer should be 0, right? You should put 0 because 10 is bigger than this number, correct? But there's a rule. Whenever you can't just leave it at 0, that's not complete. So you are going to add a 0 here. Okay? And when you add a 0 here, you put a decimal here. They call it dropping the 0 down. Now ask yourself, how many times can 10 go into 50? All right, so let's take a look. 10, 10, 10, 10, and 10. How many times can 10 go into 50? Count your 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. 5 multiplied by 10 is going to be 50. And then you subtract. So the answer is 0. So you have 0.5. Now I'm going to show you a way to remember this. And that is when you write your equation down, when you write your equation down, So for instance, 5. If you want the right answer, you are going to turn it to the right. Okay? So ask yourself, which number is in the inside? The answer is 5, and then you just rewrite it. Okay? So once again, remember, if you want the right answer, turn it to the right. Number on the right is the number being divided. So this is Mr. Jaw. This is the division basics, and I hope that was helpful.